So that's one part of it. The second part of it is sustainability, is innovation. So I think you've got to find products. Now, for instance, because of the regulation that's come on energy efficiency in refrigerators, we have to increase the amount of work that we do and the innovation that we do in figuring out how we're going to make refrigerators which are going to meet the energy standards that are required. So there's a lot of work that will be required. It's an interface of the whole thermodynamic system together with all the chemistry that goes in it, with the refrigerants. So it's a complex thermodynamic system that, and without a lot of R&D, without a lot of innovation, you're not going to be able to achieve it. Now this will happen in every industry. The auto industry is the largest industry in the world, and there are very, very tight standards which are going to come not just in the developed world but also in the developing world. And so there will be a lot of requirement of innovation in order to get there. So lighter materials, for instance, is one of them. More efficient fuel combustion is another one. So quality of fuels is the third one. So there are many, many such interventions and huge amounts of innovation we will require to do that. So within our organization, everything that we do, we look at it from that lens. We would set up filters to look at everything that we do from that angle. And this is a long journey. I think you have to start that journey somewhere in a small way and just keep on moving it faster and faster. There's no other simple solution to that. But the solutions are actually available today. It's not that the solutions are not available. For instance, very often coal plants, they talk of carbon sequestration, but you don't need to think of carbon sequestration because you may never go that way. In the next 10 years, you may not be actually dependent on coal anymore. So you don't have to worry about it. I think we have to think of the next things rather than just improving past things.
I think that was the last question. Thank you so much for all your enlightening thoughts, and thank you guys for your questions. I would now like to call upon Uncle Bala to present a memento as a token of our appreciation.